There is nothing like the start of a new year to cause us to step back, evaluate, and make adjustments for the upcoming year. We evaluate our personal goals to set things in motion to make this our best year ever. Our business should be no different. Here's 5 things you can do in your shop right now to put you and your shop on the path to success over the next 12 months. Review your shop's expenses. Unmonitored expenses can easily spiral out of control and erode profits faster than you could imagine. Unchecked, high expenses can be the single largest contributor to a shop with lower than expected profits. Consider this: every dollar in expenses you save equals $1 of net profit. Set this year's sales goal. A shop without a sales goal is like a ship without a rudder or taking a road trip with no destination. It's easy to get someplace. You just may not get where you want to be. A sales goal will keep us focused towards the goal of having a productive and profitable year. When setting a sales goal, be mindful if you set too low, you're set to underachieve. Too high, you won't have a sense of the accomplishment that comes with hitting your target. Don't know where to start? Use a sales target that's 6 to 8% greater than last year's sales. Monitor and adjust the goal as the year progresses. Review your marketing plan. Look at last year's promotions. Be prepared to increase dollars spent on the marketing that not only brought in cars, but more importantly, put dollars in the bank. At the same time, cut the non-performing promotions and use the dollars saved here to fund the programs that are working. Keep in mind that all marketing is designed to create a desire by the customer to choose your shop over your competitors. So when that phone rings, make the appointment. Set up your staff reviews. Most shops don't review their employees because a lot of people think they're just an excuse to criticize. However, reviews are the time to compliment areas where an employee is performing well in. They're also a time to review expectations and standards the company expects to see, such as productivity and efficiency. It also needs to be said that performance reviews are not the time for raises. Review the benefits of being part of your program group. From enhanced programs and discounted services your shop could use, to nationwide warranty coverage, as a member of a service center program, you have a ton of benefits you may not even realize you're missing. Now is the time to set an appointment with your salesman to review the benefits of the full program and begin to implement each of the service center elements into your shop. When you start off the year in the right direction, you'll finish where you want to be. I'm Vic Tarasic. Thanks for watching.